Here's a product description you can use for a 3L divided by 5L divided by 7L professional pressure cooker made of heavy-duty aluminum and designed for gas cookers. 3L divided by 5L divided by 7L professional pressure cooker, heavy-duty aluminum explosion-proof cooking pot for gas stoves. Cooks smarter, faster, and safer with this professional heavy-duty aluminum pressure cooker, available in 3L, 5L, and 7L capacities to suit all your. Whether you're making tender meats, stews, soups, or grains, this high-performance cooker delivers consistent results with reduced cooking times and maximum energy efficiency. Key features: heavy-duty aluminum build, crafted from thick, high-grade aluminum for superior heat conductivity and durability. Designed to withstand daily use without warping or corrosion. Explosion-proof safety mechanism, built-in safety valves. Fast and even cooking. Pressure-sealed environment locks in flavor and nutrients while reducing cooking time by up to 70%. Perfect for busy households and professional kitchens. Ergonomic heat-resistant handles. Comfortable and sturdy handles stay cool.